our simple pizza.
The topping first. We can use hot dog or sausage if you want. It's up to you. Make your simple pizza at home without using oven. This is all very simple. So watch out this guys and finish the video to learn more. You can see we use simple ingredients that you can find easily in store or groceries. Mix the mixture until the sauce is sticky. Our toppings are ready. Time to whip our dough for our pizza crust.
The rest of me is down.
Mix flour, water, baking powder, or you can use also yeast.
If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what
Flatten the mixed dough into thin crush using your roller pin, or you can use clean bottle. Put the grated cheese on the top.